If you're tired of staying at home and you actually want to make use of that time to make money online, this video is for you. Well, I have prepared a list of 5 legit websites that are going to pay you PayPal money simply to do surveys and other tasks. All you have to do is to go to www. Hey guys, this is Joyce here and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you 5 legit websites that will pay you to do surveys and other tasks, as well as give you another website as bonus for watching this video till the end. And I'm sure that this bonus website will change your life. For all those who are new to my channel, my name is Joyce Mitu and I do videos that help people make money online. And I talk about affiliate marketing and help brave ones to set their online business and help them in their journey. If you are among those people who like such contents, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can actually watch my next videos when I upload them. So without wasting time, let's have a look at those websites, starting with the number 5. So starting with number 5, the website is surveyjunkie.com. What you have to do inside SurveyJunkie is actually build your profile and do surveys, right? And when you do that, you will actually be rewarded with virtual points that you can actually convert into PayPal money or gift card. Now, if you actually want to understand and know about the payment methods and the minimum amount of points that you require, you simply go and click on Help Center and you will be directed to a page like this. And number 6 actually answers our questions. So the minimum amount of points that is required is 1,000 points and you actually get paid through PayPal. So let me clarify this. 1,000 points is equivalent to $1. So the minimum amount of cash out amount is $1, right? And the payment method is PayPal. And if you are in the US, you are able to either get a gift card or transfer the money directly to your bank account. The number 4 website is GrabPoints.com. So what you do in GrabPoints.com is you sign up and you don't just do surveys, but actually watch videos, complete offers and download apps and such as games, etc. And what you do is you earn points that you can actually convert into gift cards and PayPal cash. When you scroll down, just go to frequently asked questions and just go to rewards and how many points do you need to actually redeem, right? And you will actually need 3,000 points. 1,000 is equivalent to $1. So the minimum amount of cash out for PayPal money is $3. And for Amazon, it's the same, $3. And GrabPoints, guys, is mostly available worldwide, but it works better for countries such as T1 countries, which are United States, that is the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, and sometimes New Zealand. The third website is us.toluna.com. What you can do in this website, guys, is simply get signed up and you just have to build your profile, give your opinions and do surveys. And when you do that, you get paid and you can redeem your money via PayPal. So let's have a look at the bottom page. When you go down, you can actually have a look at all the countries that are available to do the surveys for this website. So there's a ton of countries. Not all countries are actually available for this website. And the next thing that you need to do is to go on to frequently asked questions to have a look at the minimum amount of points that you will need to actually cash out. So what are Toluna points? Toluna points are actually virtual points that you get when you answer surveys, and you actually get a welcome point, a welcome reward that is 500 points. And when you go to rewards center, we actually have a look at the minimum amount of points that we need for cash out is actually 10,000. So it is $10. Good. And the payment methods are PayPal and other gift cards. And the website number 2 is superpay.me. What this website does is you answer surveys, you do small offers job, and you can actually watch videos. And let's actually look at how it works. Yeah, so when you joined, you will there will be a registration that less than 2 minutes. You will get 20 cents as bonus, and you take part in the surveys and you do complete offers and you do some mini works, and you will be paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, Skrill, or gift cards. And guys, this website has a minimum cash out of $1. The next number 1 website is actually, before I do tell you the number 1 website for this survey video, make sure you like this video if you're getting value from that, and do give me a comment from where you are so that I actually know next time when I do survey videos, I can give you surveys based on the country that you are in. So the number 1 website for this video that actually pay you for survey is PriceRebel.com. So what PriceRebel is, guys, it actually helps you to gives you survey, you complete the surveys, and you can actually do other tasks such as watch videos. And these offers, there are tons of offers available throughout the day that you can actually complete, as well as those surveys. Now, when you get the point, you can actually cash out through PayPal and through Amazon gift cards or other gift cards. And the minimum amount of threshold for cash out is $5. And as promised, guys, I'm going to give you a bonus website. Why a bonus website? Because these 5 websites that I just told you, the survey website, they truly are legend, but you will need to invest a lot amount of time to earn a little amount of money. And what I'm going to tell you and show you will definitely change your life. And before I do so, let me tell you a little story about me. Few months ago, I was like you, looking videos after videos on YouTube or on Google on how to make money online. I was actually looking for easy ways on surveys, and I soon found out that to actually make money online, you need a proven system. You need a system that keeps making you money passively when you're asleep, when you're doing other tasks, and when you're not in front of your computer. The money keeps coming in. However, to be able to generate money of this type, I needed to undergo a training. This training that I did was 15 days. So let me actually show you the website. This is the website, guys. When you get started today, you will actually be given 15 days of training. And these training, guys, they are worth a marketing degree. You actually learn what are the best ways to actually start an online business. Now, this is not for everybody. This website actually costs $7 to get started. And when you get started for $7, like I said, like I told you, you get 15 days. So you're actually being taught by a man who has made over $250 million in sales. And you're going to learn his techniques, tactics in these 15 days. Now, I'm not telling you that you're going to become a millionaire, but what I can guarantee you is you will be getting an education that is not available elsewhere. This education for $7 is amazing. And trust me, I will leave it to you guys to actually know how much you can make per day. But because you're getting started, you get bonuses. Bonuses such as scripts, a business advisor for you to actually help you ease your path through those 15 days and hold you accountable for what you need to do. If you decide to get an online business, this business advisor will actually hold you accountable and help you take action. Now, you don't need to listen to me. You don't need to click on my #1 recommendation to get started for your online business. You can actually do the surveys and spend your time and get the money. It's easy money, right? You don't need to do what I'm telling you to do. And you don't need to actually click on my link to get an online business started. But if you really want to change your life, you will know what to do. So this will be the end of this video, guys. And I really hope you got value from this video and you will actually take advantage of the situation to actually do the right thing. And if you got value from this video, guys, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And also do comment and share with your friends so that they are aware of how to make money during this period of time, right? See you on the next video, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.